Hey guys, Johnny Nerd out here. Got a very important question that I get asked all the time on is, should I go 48 volt or 52 volt for my Bafang system? So let's get right into it. If you're new to this channel, I'm Johnny Nerd Out. I run JohnnyNerdOut.com. I sell all the e-bike components for custom builds. I do consultations. If you have questions about your build, go to book a consultation at JohnnyNerdOut.com. But that being said, 48 volt or 52 volt for your bike, which one is right for you? Generally, 48 volt batteries are more reliable with the Bafang systems, whether it's a BBS HD or BBS 02. The 48 volt batteries just generally don't give you as much issues. You won't find as many error issues with the software or firmware. It's not going to give you error codes at all. So on the electronic side, 48 volt is just going to be more reliable. If you're looking for just bulletproof, I would say maybe look at a 48 volt battery. However, if you're looking for just, I want most power, most capacity, a 52 volt battery is going to give you about an extra 100 watts on a fully charged battery. So, you know, it is kind of like having like a low boost turbo on your car. So if you're thinking about, you just want to get that extra, just that a little extra pop, like if you do aggressive riding, go 52 volt. Or if you're not really afraid of like, okay, if I get an error code, you know how to clear it. You're not worried about that type of stuff. Go 52 volt. Also 52 volt, you know, at a 17.5 amp hour, whether it's 48 or 52 volt, you're going to get more watt hours out of that 52 volt battery. You're going to get more range, more capacity out of the same battery. So it's generally a better value to go 52 volt. And just to be clear, 52 volt battery issues with your motors are pretty uncommon. They're very rare, but it is one of those things where if you're like, I don't want to, this is my first build, I want to have zero issues, you might want to consider 48 volt just to be safe. Hopefully that helps, guys. Later.